Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to see a list of all the printers and scanners on your Windows 11 computer. So a couple different ways on how to go about this, and I'm going to show you guys the two methods that I would recommend trying. First thing you can try would be to go through the classic control panel, which would be to open up the search magnifying glass and type in control panel. Best match should come back with control panel here. Go ahead and open that up. You want to set your view by the category view, and then you would select where it says view devices and printers underneath hardware and sound. So again, view devices and printers, and it will give you a list of all the printers hooked up to your computer as well as any other scanners that may be on here as well. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.